Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back here to another daily video exposing the scams of the Play Store. Guys, we have another app that's probably a big scam. Looking at the reviews that people are saying on the Play Store about this app, it's pretty insane. It is Spin to Win. That is right, everyone. The app we are covering today is Spin to Win. I believe that Spin to Win is a scam, and that's my opinion. Judging from a lot of the people that have left reviews, they also believe it's a scam as well. I believe that this app just forces you to do things, aka win real cash if you follow these instructions, aka watch ads or do certain activities that reward the developers. Then they might give you some imaginary money, okay? Now, let's do this, everyone. Spin to win, or spin and win, whatever you want to say. Apparently, it's spin and win according to the app right now. First sign-up coin is 500. Great English, let's do this. So, I have a total of $2 right now. $2. I love it, dude. $2! And total rupee is 16.67. Okay, we already got some money and we just opened up the app. Let's see what it says for us to do. Get up to 1,000 coins daily by sharing the app. Hurry up, please share more and more. Yes, I will share more and more. Do you like that voice, everyone? That's a scam voice, okay? Top right corner of the screen, it's showing 500 coins as well, funny enough. Let's spin and win. Here we go. Show me the win. Let's go. I'm ready. Come on. Come on, there's a nice big advertisement that's just showing up at the bottom of the screen there. That's okay. How do I spin? Okay, I'm spinning the wheel. What do I get? What do I get? What is this? Whoa, gee, dude, it's turning into a freaking airplane propeller. I earned 0. Get money. Yes, I want my 0. Let's spin that wheel again. I don't understand. What's going on right now? 0.3. I earned 0.3. You are joking me. I won 0.3 coins. Literally 3 coins. This is not the app. Surely this cannot be the whole app, bro. 10 coins. Okay, I got 10 coins. Coin, mobile number, submit. What? What is this? PayPal ID, coin, bank. Oh my lord, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you my bank details, app. What? Look how dodgy this looks, everyone. This looks like a 10-year-old made it. No, app. Bad app. Spin to win, you're a bad app. What are you doing? $40 apparently I just earned, or 40 coins. No worries. Okay. I'm not giving my paper. I'm not giving any credentials to this app, by the way. This looks like the biggest joke going around. Dude. I'm going to keep on spinning here, though. I'm going to keep on spinning. Mind you, there's no background music at all. There's nothing. No sound except for that wheel spinning. That's just great. That's a really awesome start to this app, dude. I don't understand why apps like Spin to Win exist. Apparently, I just won 500 coins. Woohoo! I hit the jackpot, everyone. We're millionaires today. This is a great start for us. Let's see if we can hit 500 again. Give me that 500. Come on. Come on. And, oh, so close. Instead of 500, we got 5. Yeah, close, you got the 5 right, but you missed the 2 zeros. Alright, so we're on 1,066. Got to keep this grind up right now and spin to win. I won nothing. That's fantastic. Almost done with my spins. 7 spins left, everyone. Then we can almost get off this bad app. We still have a couple of other activities to do, okay? So 40 coins there, or 4... Yeah, that was 40 coins, wasn't it? Yes, I think it was. Left spin... I just realized left spin. Instead of spins left, it's left spin. Oh, man. The only thing you're going to be winning from this is your bank account getting probably stolen, dude. You're going to probably lose a lot of money out of your bank account if you enter the credentials in there. That's probably going straight to some sort of hacking group. Let's be real, everyone. You enter your real bank details in there, you're going to wake up with no money, brother. Oh, won another 500 coins. I'm rich. Dude, I'm rich. This is it. Spin to Win is rewarding us today. This makes me extremely happy. Alright. What else you got for us? Oh, 0. Darn. Let's see what else we got going on here. Come on. Bring me that PayPal money. Bring me that cash. Let me get those finances up. I want to win some money. Left spin, 1. Last spin now, everyone. Come on, it's got to be 500. 500. 500. 500. 0. That's great. Jeez. Okay, spin to win. I have nothing left for spin to win. Apparently, I have $6, though. $6 total. What about scratch card? Here we go. 16 scratch card left. You win 10. Okay? Do I have to scratch the whole thing? Surely not. Surely you don't have to scratch the whole thing to unlock 10. No. No. You're joking me. Okay? There we go. 10. You scratch it. You scratch it earned. Or you'll scratch it. I can't read. I give up. I just give up. Alright, let's go. 10. I'm clicking on the 10. I'm clicking. I won. I'm not going to do this. Dude. I'm not even joking right now. It makes you do the whole scratchy. You have to scratch the whole thing. Now, that might not sound painful, but you can see how little we're actually rubbing out here. No spin to win. What are you doing? What? There we go. Done. You have to clear out like the whole right side, then you can actually claim it. You win 14. Okay. Yes, I won 14. Look, I'm clearing out the right side. Come on. Dude, seriously, what? You guys are seeing this right now, right? Like, I can't click on it. There. Oh my lord, you have to clean the whole thing out. What? What? I'm done with this. I'm not doing that. Today earning. Let's look at today's earning. Today earning is 200. Submit. Okay, whatever that means. Withdraw. Yes, I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw my real life money here. Pay TM. PayPal ID. Submit. Do you really want to enter your ID in here? Okay, I want to pull out 1895. Do I want to put down my PayPal ID here? I don't know. What happens if people have your PayPal ID? Can they like hack you or something? I'm too scared to actually put my ID in here, everyone. Like, I'm not even joking. Apparently, I'm going to pull out $7.58 right now. I'm too scared to actually give this app my PayPal ID. I don't know what that means. Like, what can happen if you give someone your PayPal ID? Does that mean that they can actually hack you eventually? They can say, forgot your password or something? I don't know. I don't trust it. I really don't trust this layout. Dude, look at these buttons. Look at this, everyone. Like, what does submit do? Enter PayPal ID. It really wants you to enter it, doesn't it? I don't know, bro. $18.95. That's apparently $7.58 right now. I don't know. I'm a bit scared. I think I'll probably not enter my PayPal ID. I don't feel like getting hacked, potentially. This is really a dodgy looking app, dude. Like, if I ever seen one. Especially this. This freaks me out the most. What happens if I just enter anything? Minimum 18,000 coin. Okay, what about this? D. Minimum 18,000 coin. 18,000 coin. I just realized there's a minimum. Oh my god, it just clicked to me then when it said that. Dude, you have to get 18,000 coins. How do you get more spins? Today's spin is over. So you got one ad there. And what, you only got the scratchies to win 18,000 coins? And you only get 6 per scratchy pretty much, or 14? Nah. This app's gone. Never play spin to win, everyone. Get rid of it. Throw it out. Delete it. It's a joke. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow for more scam videos. Catch you around.